Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons. Hi kids, let's learn professions.
Come and sing, come join along. Meet our helpers in this songs. The doctor comes with stethoscope near. Doctor helps when we feel fear, making us healthy year by year.
There's nurses kind with gentle care, helping patients everywhere. Smiles of comfort always there.
The teacher comes with books so bright, teaching children day and night, guiding minds to learn things right.
The farmer works from early morn, growing rice, wheat, fruits, and corn. Food for us is always born.
The police keep the city safe, helping people every place. Bravery shines upon their face.
The helpers, one and all, working hard, both big and small. We thank you, we clap and cheer for our helpers far and near. The firefighter, brave and strong, puts out fires all day long, saves the people right from wrong.
The driver takes us here and there, driving buses everywhere, safely bringing people care.
The pilot flies the plane so high, taking us across the sky, waving clouds as we pass by.
The chef is cooking meals so sweet, making dishes we all eat. Yummy flavors, such a treat.
The soldier strong protects the land, standing firm so brave and grand, guarding country hand in hand. Helpers, one and all, working hard, both big and small. We thank you, we clap and cheer for our helpers far and near.
An engineer builds bridges tall, designs machines and houses all. Smart ideas, big and small.
The carpenter with wood so fine builds a chair or table line, crafting things that all align.
The mason builds with stones and clay, walls and houses every day. Strong foundations here to stay.
The electrician wires the light, making homes so warm and bright. Power shines in darkest night.
The plumber fixes pipes that leak, water flowing as we speak. Every home is safe and neat. Helpers, day and night, doing jobs with all their might. Thank you, helpers far and near. We all clap and give a cheer.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.